You want to be a better artist, right? You want to improve your overall skill set and to greatly expand your artistic base of knowledge. To improve your capacity to learn and retain the information you've acquired. Well, I'm Joseph Finchum, and it's my goal to help you do just that. I am an entirely self-taught artist that has been creating my works of art for over 30 years or so. From the moment I could hold a crayon, my desire to make art was off and running. I've learned almost everything I know through the process of visualization, watching or observing art and artists while examining every last thing they do in order to get a better understanding of what it was they were doing. Then trying over and over to replicate that technique. Learning by doing is the best way I know to teach and to learn. But I can't move your hands for you in the real world. Or can I? Did your right arm twitch? It did, didn't it? A little? Anyway. It is a very interesting and exciting way to learn, but one that can hinder our understanding of these skills in general. That is why I set out years ago to do extensive reading and research in order to better my own understanding of the terminology and techniques used by many of today's professional artists, as well as those from yesteryears. It may seem counterintuitive to think that a caveman could teach us about art, but I assure you, they can. No technique should be considered old or obsolete if you really want to grow as an artist. That is why I did my research into the artist's experience so that I could pass on my knowledge to you. Some of which I will admit I'm still putting together myself. Often I find that I can do the things without actually knowing what to call the things I'm doing. From tutorials to demonstrations and even the occasional review of products and mediums, new and old, it is my goal to educate you in a fun, if not funny, an intelligent, and hopefully inspiring way, so that you too can make your own art and take pride in doing so. I'm here to create videos for your education, and I'm going to bring you time-lapse videos so you can see the processes in action, demonstration videos on how to use all the different tools and mediums artists around the world have grown to love and use every day, so that you can make works of art in simple and fun ways. I'll also have instructional videos for prepping workspaces and surfaces, as well as crafting improvements to your studio space and accessories, and full-on tutorial videos created around specific topics and the fundamentals, broken down to the very basics, as seen in my How to Paint Better Landscapes series. Art can be relaxing, exciting, energizing, and even therapeutic. You only get out of it what you are willing to put into it. Have you ever heard someone say that they can't even draw a stick figure? Have they actually tried? Probably not, and they never will with that kind of an attitude. Art is a skill that one has to learn, and every great artist started out as an amateur. It takes time, patience, and most of all, practice to gain the skills you'll need. But you can do it if you put your mind to it. The learning process does not have to be a tedious and grueling experience. Every time you scroll a line on a surface with a crayon, a pencil, or a brush is a new chance to learn from, and I want you to learn from all of my own successes, and probably my eventual failures too. So tune into this channel every Friday at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for new videos crafted just for you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you next time. Bye.